This video demonstrates how to replace the engine air filter in a 2020 to 2025 Nissan Sentra with the 2.0 engine. Replacing your air filter is a simple DIY task that improves engine performance, fuel economy, and reduces emissions. A clean air filter prevents dust and debris from entering your engine, ensuring optimal air-fuel mixture. The entire process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. The engine air filter protects the engine by filtering incoming air, preventing dust and debris from entering the combustion chambers. A clogged air filter reduces airflow, leading to reduced fuel economy by 5 to 10%, increased emissions, and potentially engine damage. Nissan recommends inspecting the air filter every 7,500 miles and replacing it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Neglecting filter replacement can cause a check engine light and damage the mass airflow sensor. For replacing the air filter in a 2020-2025 Nissan Sentra, you'll typically need no tools. However, a screwdriver might be helpful for releasing clips on the airbox lid. You'll need a replacement air filter compatible with the 2020-2025 Nissan Sentra 2.0 EL engine. The recommended OEM part number is 65463TA0A. Aftermarket equivalents from brands like Bosch or K&N are also suitable. Expect to pay between $10 and $30 for a replacement filter. Start by opening the hood of your Nissan Sentra and locating the air filter box. The air filter box is a black plastic box usually located on the side of the engine compartment. Depending on your model year, the airbox lid will be secured by either metal clips or screws. If there are clips, release them by hand. If there are screws, use a screwdriver to remove them. With the airbox lid open, locate the old air filter inside the air intake box. Carefully grasp the edges of the filter and pull it straight out. Pay attention to how it's oriented in the box. The Nissan Sentra uses a rectangular panel air filter, measuring about 8.5 inches by 6 inches by 1.5 inches thick. Remember this orientation for installing the new filter to ensure proper airflow. Before installing the new filter, inspect the inside of the airbox. If it's dirty, use a clean cloth or vacuum to remove any dust, leaves, or debris. This ensures that the new filter starts clean and operates efficiently. Now for step 4, installing the new air filter. Insert the new air filter into the airbox, making sure it's oriented correctly with the pleats facing the right way. The filter should fit snugly inside the housing without gaps. Replace the airbox lid and secure it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Make sure the lid is properly sealed to prevent any air leaks that could affect engine performance. Double-check that the airbox lid is securely fastened to ensure a proper seal and prevent air leaks. Start your engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises, such as hissing or whistling, which could indicate an improperly sealed airbox. After replacement, monitor your fuel economy and throttle response. Many owners report slight improvements in both after replacing a clogged filter. Regular maintenance, including air filter replacement every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, keeps your Sentra running smoothly and efficiently. Consider using reusable air filters, which can be cleaned and reused multiple times, helping reduce environmental waste compared to disposable filters.